Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to show you our little Easter egg chickie that winds up and moves. And we're going to open a few surprise Easter eggs to see what's inside for little chickie. So we wind little soft chickie up, just like that. And you're going to, there he goes. There he goes. Isn't he cute? Go to your eggs, little chickie. Go to your eggs. Let's see what's inside. So we've got a blue and orange egg. And let's see what we've got for chickie in here. It's a little cute ladybug. Just for chickie. And we've got a pink and yellow egg. And inside we've got a little butterfly for chickie. Little chickie's got all sorts of friends now. And we have a red and green egg. And look at that. There's a little bee. Bzzz. Chickie's got 3 little friends now. Isn't that cute? Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.